The shortest distance of a given point to a given circle is 4 centimeters. The longest distance is 9 centimeters in radius of the circle. Nice and simple question. Shortest distance will be a point towards the center but bang in between. Anything else will be longer than that. So, this is the shortest distance. So, if this point is P, center of the circle is O, going towards the center directly where you meet the circle, that will be the shortest distance. When you go here, that will be the longest distance. Shortest distance is 4. Longest distance is 9. What is the radius of the circle? This is 4, that is 9. That means AA dash is 5 centimeters. Diameter is 5. Radius is 2.5. Freebie. I've taken this. But, wait. This exam is not known to be this simple. Is there something I need to worry about here? And shortest distance of a given point to a given circle is 4 and 9. Very interesting, but what if it were a scenario where the point is inside the circle? Then the shortest distance will be this distance along this radius. Longest distance will be this distance along the radius but this side. So this is my point A, this is A, this is A dash, this is O, this is 4, this is 9, in which case my diameter twice radius is 13 centimeters, radius is 6.5. The beauty of this question is some people miss the idea that the point can be inside the circle. Some people miss the idea that the point can be outside the circle. If the point were inside the circle, then the radius of the circle should be 6.5 centimeters. The point were outside the circle, then radius of the circle should be 2.5 centimeters. Both are possible. So the answer, not this, this. Delightful question because you can walk into an easy wrong answer.